When you did the drawing that you sent us, did you ever think that it really would happen, and did it matter if it did?
No, I knew it was going to happen.
You did?
Yes. I wouldn't have drawn it if I didn't.
It's not a sculpture. It's not a building. It's not an installation.
I look at it as a statue because I've seen so many statues in the city, and they're all about memories.
What I like about that piece, which I think is reiterated in this, is that sense that it's not about ownership. I mean, that's a piece that was there and it was gone, and even though this piece will be in perpetuity, as you always say, this is Gordon's project.
I don't know what it was, some spirit or something. Maybe it was the water who had the information to, you know, because water is very powerful. You know, guided us to this, along with Matta-Clark, and here we are.
You were so clear right away in saying, no, it has to be exactly where Gordon's piece was.
Otherwise it would be fake.
I remember originally you said monument to Gordon Matta-Clark, and then I said it's not really quite a monument, and then you immediately turned to me again and you said, what did Gordon call it? And you said, that's what we should call it, Day's End.
Exactly, yeah. Amazing, his energy and the way he thought. It was, yeah, shocking.
I think forever people will always question, what is it? Why is it there? It'll make them, you know, dig into memory. It's a huge but ghostly memory of what you know, it's like a plaque to Gordon, but without any name. It's a mystery.
Yeah, it's not history or her story, it's mystery.
How would I describe Day's End? It's a paradox. It's a work that is there and not there at the same time. It's about community. It's a dialogue with art history. It's a dialogue with New York. It's a dialogue between sea and land. It's sculptural, it's architectural, it's drawing, it's many things in one. People are going to be looking at it and talking about it, congregating around it for years to come.